Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time that you watch this video. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen helps you connect with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see the energies coming to me, especially if I have a major decision to make. I'm amazed with the accuracy and the clarity that I get from my favorite advisor. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen because as a new customer, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aries, let's see what's coming to you in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 31, 2024. Ang link ay nasa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyong mag-book. Okay, next 6 months for Aries. Not for you. Okay, maaring may mga bagay na marirealize ka in the next 6 months na hindi talaga para sa'yo. Kasi minsan meron tayong mga bagay na ipinipilit, no? Na gawin or i-pursue or pasukin pero hindi talaga nagwo-work. So I feel like you will be able to finally realize what is not for you. Kasi sabi nga, if it's meant to be, it will be, 'di ba? You also have the energy ng yin. Yin is a feminine energy. So this is about being open to inspiration, being open to your creativity. So maaring magiging creative ka ngayon. Yung mga bagay na dating iniiwasan mo ay ngayong in the next 6 months is ipupursu mo yan kasi yan talaga yung passion mo kahit na iniiwasan mo. Okay? You also have a change in the wind. Ayan. Yung iba sa inyo may pagbabago ng inyong mga plano, no? So maaring meron na kayong naset na mga plano in the next 6 months. Pero like what I mentioned nga sa inyo kanina, may mga bagay na hindi talaga sa atin, no? Para sa atin kahit ipilit pa natin kasi kanya-kanya tayo ng path and nandito tayo, no, to discover ano yung path na yon, ano yung ating destiny, ano yung ating life's purpose. So for some of you, you are finally realizing your life's purpose, and I think isa sa life's purpose ninyo ay creative, no? Anything creative, using your talents, your skills, your knowledge. So, let's see ano pa for Aries. Gemini, ayan, being curious. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring may mga pag-aaralan kayo, may i-research. You will also be connecting with more people, mas maraming friends, mas maraming connections. Magne-network ka. Oo, yung iba sa inyo merong collaboration. You also have the second house. You will also focus on your finances, yung material possessions mo, no? Yung iyong talent. So, I think ito rin yung i-explore mo rin, yung iba mo pang talents. and abilities. And also your aesthetics, no? So maaring meron ka ring mga i-improve sa yung aesthetics, yung styling, the way you care for yourself. So tinan pa natin. What else? Ano pa ang changes? Tinan natin, ano pa? For Aries, you have the crane. Ayan. So, itong crane is about longevity, commitment, no? So, maaring i-commit mo ang sarili mo sa mga bago mong goals. In the next 6 months, talagang determinado ka. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang romantic commitment. Pwede ring business, trabaho, no? Or project na i-commit nyo talaga ang inyong sarili. You also have the sea star. Ayan. So, itong sea star is like your dreams, no? Yung hopes and dreams mo. And yung iba sa inyo, maaari ring magpo-focus sa inyong mga kalusugan. Oo. So, in the next 6 months, meron kayong aayusin sa inyong health. Maaring meron kayong ipa-follow na ng mga healthy habits, no? Para mag-improve ang inyong kalusugan. Kasi this is also for longevity. So, para sa inyo, gusto nyo pang mas tumagal ang inyong buhay, mas maging malakas. Ayan. At para magawa nyo pa yung iba nyong mga goal sa buhay. Okay, so let's see ano pa for Aries. Uy, the Tower. Merong major change. Meron ditong biglaang pagbabago, no? Baka biglaang pagbabago ng isip. And this is also about distraction, no? Maaring merong kang merong maguguho, masisira, no? Para merong mabuo ulit. You also have the 7 of Cups. You have the Sun. This is clarity. Oo. Maraming yung iba sa inyo, maaring confused sa mga gusto nyong i-pursue sa buhay or even yung feelings ninyo. So, in the next 6 months, you will be able to see kung ano yung talagang gusto ninyo. Oo. Pwede kasing pinipresentahan ka ng maraming options, no? Pwedeng sa relationship, marami kang options. Sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. So, in the next 6 months, makikita mo na dyan kung alin ang gusto mo talaga. Maaring meron kang kailangang tanggalin, alisin sa buhay mo para mas maging maliwanag sa'yo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. May mga distraction kasi, no? You also have the 10 of Swords. So, something is ending in the next 6 months. And then, you have the Page of Wands, which is, meron kang i-discover. Oo, yung iba sa inyo, you will go on an adventure. Let's see, ano tong mag-e-end? Or anything na, yung mga sufferings mo, yung mga stress na nagbibigay sa'yo, in the next 6 months, matatapos na yan. Yung iba sa inyo may kinalaman sa inyong mental health, no? Yung iba nag-overthink, maraming mga pinagdaanan sa buhay na naapektuhan ng inyong mental health, no? So, kaya siguro, ngayon magpo-focus kayo sa healing. Yung iba sa inyo, magkukonsulta talaga sa mga health professionals para matulungan kayo sa mga challenges na hinaharap nyo. Kasi pwede ritong merong unexpected na mga pagbabago no, sa inyong life in the next 6 months na yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung gagawin nyo, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung uunahin ninyo. Maaring mga nakagawian, yung mga tradisyon na nasira, mga tradisyon na nagbago. Let's see what else. You have the Chariot. So, kumbaga, may mga challenges, yes, pero andito pa rin naman ang success para sa inyo. The Chariot is about victory. So, ibig sabihin yan, ano man itong mga challenges na kaharapin nyo in the next 6 months, kayo pa rin ang magwawagi. Mau-overcome nyo yan. Mas magiging focus kayo sa destination na gusto nyong puntahan. You also have, you have the 2 of Swords, major decision that you have to take. Siguro yung iba, may pagpipilian, no? Pagpipilian na relationship, pagpipilian na trabaho, or business. At the moment na makapili ka na, doon naaarangkada yung journey mo, kung saan ka papunta, ano yung tatahakin mo. Kasi hanggat hindi ka nakakapili, stagnant yung energy for you. Hindi natin alam kung, alin doon kasi hindi ka makapili. Para ka nasa crossroads, no? You don't know where to go, kung didiretso ka ba, kakaliwa, kakanan, o atras, no? So, ngayong in the next 6 months, definitely there is success, pero hindi siya ganun kadali, no, na ma-achieve. Kailangan makapili ka, magdesisyon ka ng best for you at bumangon, no, kahit na merong mga challenges sa harap mo at maging open ka sa mga bagong ideas, sa mga bagong opportunities na darating sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!